Zenith Watches epitomize Swiss horological mastery, blending heritage with innovation since 1865. Celebrated for pioneering the high-frequency automatic chronograph, Zenith showcases unparalleled precision and craftsmanship. Renowned for the iconic El Primero movement, these timepieces exemplify meticulous engineering and enduring elegance. From the classic Elite collection to the avant-garde Defy series, each watch reflects the brand's commitment to innovation and exquisite design. Embracing a legacy of precision and sophistication, Zenith Watches captivate enthusiasts seeking a harmonious fusion of tradition and cutting-edge technology, establishing the brand as a symbol of horological excellence and timeless luxury. And as always, you can check pricing for any of these watches in the description below. Now let's get started. Number 10. Zenith Chronomaster Revival Safari pays homage to the brand's heritage and adventurous spirit with a modern reinterpretation of a classic. Encased in a 37mm stainless steel case, its design takes inspiration from the iconic El Primero, a 386 model, featuring a striking Safari khaki green dial with contrasting black subdials. The watch's distinctive color scheme, coupled with aged beige superluminova indices and hands, evokes a vintage yet contemporary style. Equipped with the legendary El Primero automatic movement, renowned for its high-frequency precision, the Chronomaster Revival Safari ensures exceptional accuracy. With its refined design and a blend of retro aesthetics and modern technology, this timepiece encapsulates Zenith's dedication to honoring its heritage while offering a fresh and distinctive take on a classic chronograph for enthusiasts appreciative of iconic designs. Number 9. Zenith Chronomaster Collection El Primero Range Rover celebrates the collaboration between Zenith and Land Rover's luxury division, echoing the spirit of adventure and precision engineering. Encased in a 42mm ceramist aluminum case, its design is inspired by the modern and luxurious Range Rover automobiles. The sleek gray dial, adorned with copper accents, showcases 3 subdials, reflecting the high-performance El Primero chronograph movement, known for its legendary precision. The watch's sophisticated aesthetic, paired with a comfortable brown calfskin strap, exudes a refined yet sporty appeal. This timepiece is a testament to Zenith's dedication to crafting innovative and high-quality watches, paying homage to the ethos of Range Rover's luxurious yet rugged design, making it an ideal choice for watch enthusiasts and automotive aficionados alike. Number 8. Zenith Chronomaster Revival A 384 Shadow is a contemporary reinterpretation of an iconic vintage timepiece that captures the essence of the brand's heritage. Encased in a 37mm microblasted titanium case, its design reflects a modern take on the original El Primero, a 384, showcasing a sleek and stealthy appearance. The matte gray gradient dial with contrasting black subdials exudes a monochromatic allure, complemented by superluminova-coated blackened hands and hour markers, ensuring optimal readability in any lighting conditions. Powered by the El Primero automatic movement, renowned for its high-frequency precision, the Chronomaster Revival A 384 Shadow combines vintage aesthetics with cutting-edge technology, demonstrating Zenith's commitment to preserving history while offering a contemporary and stylish timepiece for enthusiasts seeking a sophisticated yet distinct watch. Number 7. Zenith Defy Revival A 3642 is a modern reinterpretation of a classic timepiece, celebrating Zenith's heritage with a contemporary touch. Encased in a 37mm stainless steel case, it pays homage to the original Zenith 3642 from the 1960s, exuding a sleek and vintage-inspired aesthetic. The vibrant blue dial with a sunburst finish showcases rhodium-plated hands and hour markers, enhancing its elegance. Powered by the Elite automatic movement, renowned for its reliability and precision, the Defy Revival of 3642 brings together traditional craftsmanship with innovative technology. Number 6. Zenith Chronomaster Original Pink is a striking timepiece that seamlessly merges timeless design with modern sophistication. Encased in stainless steel, its 38 millimeters diameter presents a harmonious balance, accentuated by a captivating pink dial that exudes elegance. The sub-dials, meticulously placed at the 3, 6, and 9 o'clock positions, add functional allure, providing chronograph complications alongside a date window at 4:30. Powered by the renowned El Primero automatic movement, this watch ensures precision and reliability, while the sapphire crystal caseback showcases the intricate mechanics within. Number 5. Zenith Chronomaster Original E-commerce Edition embodies the brand's heritage and innovation, captivating enthusiasts with its distinctive design and modern functionality. Enclosed in a 38 millimeters stainless steel case, its allure lies in the sophisticated sunburst blue dial adorned with contrasting white sub-dials at the 3, 6, and 9 o'clock positions, harmonizing functionality and aesthetics flawlessly. Powered by the iconic El Primero automatic movement, this timepiece boasts impeccable accuracy and a 50-hour power reserve. The exhibition case back offers a glimpse into the intricate workings of the movement, while the sporty stainless steel bracelet ensures both comfort and style. With its exclusive availability through e-commerce channels, this edition symbolizes Zenith's embrace of contemporary accessibility without compromising the brand's renowned craftsmanship and precision, making it an emblem of horological excellence in the digital age. Number 4. Zenith Master of Chronographs epitomizes the brand's dedication to precision, innovation, and timeless elegance. Revered for its expertise in crafting high-performance timepieces, Zenith presents a range of chronographs that harmonize technical mastery with exquisite design. Each model, characterized by a blend of classical elements and modern sophistication, features a variety of case sizes and materials, catering to diverse tastes. The meticulous craftsmanship of the dial, adorned with intricate sub-dials and complemented by luminescent hands, showcases Zenith's attention to detail. Equipped with the legendary El Primero movement, these chronographs boast remarkable accuracy and a rich history dating back to the 1960s, solidifying Zenith's position as a true master in the world of chronographs, where innovation meets tradition to create enduring horological marvels. Number 3. Zenith Pilot Montre d'Aéronef Type 20 Black Dial Automatic Men's Watch 29-24-30, 67,921, 753, represents a remarkable fusion of aviation heritage and contemporary craftsmanship. Encased in a bold and substantial 48 millimeters aged stainless steel case, its commanding presence is complemented by a distinctive matte black dial with oversized Arabic numerals coated in luminescent material, offering excellent legibility in various conditions. The historical influence of aviation instruments is evident in its design, featuring cathedral-style hands and a large onion-shaped crown, paying homage to classic pilot watches. Powered by the robust Elite 679 automatic movement, it ensures precise timekeeping and a power reserve of approximately 50 hours. Paired with a distressed brown leather strap, this timepiece not only exudes rugged charm, but also embodies Zenith's commitment to crafting timepieces that resonate with enthusiasts seeking a blend of vintage aesthetics and modern reliability in aviation-inspired horology. Number 2. Zenith Defy Zero G represents a pinnacle of technical innovation and exquisite design within the realm of horology. This avant-garde timepiece defies conventional gravity constraints by incorporating a gyroscopic gravity control module that ensures exceptional precision. Enclosed in a 44 millimeters titanium case, its futuristic allure is enhanced by an open-worked dial showcasing the intricate mechanisms of the gyroscopic escapement and the beating heart of the El Primero 8812's movement. This high-frequency caliber, beating at 5 is, not only provides incredible accuracy, but also features a captivating 50-hour power reserve. The contemporary aesthetics, combined with the mesmerizing functionality of counteracting the effects of gravity on timekeeping, positions the Zenith Defy Zero as a testament to the brand's pioneering spirit in pushing the boundaries of traditional watchmaking, offering an extraordinary blend of technical prowess and aesthetic sophistication. Number 1. Zenith Defy Extreme Felipe Pantone is a breathtaking fusion of avant-garde design and cutting-edge watchmaking technology. Celebrating the spirit of innovation and creativity, this limited edition timepiece showcases Felipe Pantone's iconic visual aesthetics through a mesmerizing blend of bold geometric patterns and vibrant colors. Encased in a 45mm black titanium case, its striking appearance is further accentuated by a dynamic multicolored open-work dial that exudes a sense of energy and movement. Equipped with the high-performance Primero 9004 automatic movement, boasting a 50-hour power reserve, this watch not only captivates with its artistic brilliance, but also ensures exceptional accuracy and reliability.